Hey everybody, today we're going to answer the question, should I form a company around my invention or look to license it? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I've been helping inventors now for over 10 years, helping them achieve almost 500 patents as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. And I put that book right there in the link below. So go grab your PDF of the Bold Inventors Kit right now. Pause the video, of course, and come back. Let's dig into this question about, should I start a company around my invention, right? The core technology of what I've got, or look to just license and monetize it. And I think the number one question comes down to how excited, how on fire are you about this idea? And what I mean by that is how much time, energy, and resolution to make it happen do you have? And that's really it. I've worked with a lot of people, a lot of individuals over the years, and there's just that sum. I think it's around 20% of those that I talk to that have worked on inventions have that burning desire to make the invention happen, to bring it to the world, hell or high water, right? And so do you have that? Do you have that drive? And are you going to make it happen no matter what? If that's true, I think you've got the entrepreneurial spirit. And I think that is your sign that you should be opening up, starting a business. Now, there's lots of different ways to go about doing that, but in terms of which route to go down, if you're going to start your own company, you've got to know this is the highest risk, and also, of course, comes with that a potential highest reward. Down this route of entrepreneurship and startup and owning your own company and raising money, manufacturing your own goods, bringing your product to market, coming with branding, as well as design and manufacturing, a host of other things as well. I will work as hard as I can to help you, our attorneys, our staff. This is who we are made to help and serve. So know that while it's the highest risk, we're going to support you at the highest levels. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're going down this other route, hey, I just want to go license and sell this invention I came up with, that's okay too. In fact, that's wonderful. And it's going to be a lot less stress for you. We've got your back there too. We're going to do the research, put together the best, most robust claims, and get the broadest rights possible so you can have the best approach when you talk with another company or business owner that might be willing to pay you money in an outright sale or a licensing agreement. This is more along the lines, if you already have a commitment to a full-time job, your time commitments, your dedication and energy is not going to be solely dedicated to this invention and product. You've got to spread yourself out. Maybe you've got other commitments with family, health, and medical issues. Those are reasons why you may not want to go down this first option and to go down option number 2, which is monetization, licensing, and call it a non-business owning route. So hope this helped you kind of paint the picture of, should I go for it? Should I start a company? Or should I look to maybe license and sell? It is a time commitment question. And with that, I think I'll let you guys go for the rest of the day. Thank you for listening to our show. I'm JD Houvener with Bold Patents. I wish you guys a wonderful day. Go big, go bold.